Hello everyone, I would like to introduce myself. But first of all, how are you? I hope you're doing great. So, baka ma-confuse kayo kung ba't ako tumitingin dito sa gilid. It's that because I have this, parang, ito yung guide ko kung paano ko, para hindi masyadong magulo yung mga sasabihin ko. Hindi nga! So, my name is Alaska Daniela, and I am currently enrolled in BS Criminology 1 Charlie. So, meron akong kasabihan na, if that the case, pencil case. So, parang ang jeje, no? That's life. Okay, so my favorite art form is music. Although, I'm not that good at singing, but somehow, music brings comfort and sympathy when you're going through something, or especially when you're lonely. There are 3 fun facts about me. Number 1 is, I love plushies. I mean, like, they are my sleep buddy. I bought at least 2 plushies. I'm sorry, madumi kasi ito. Hindi ko maharap. I bought 2 plushies here at my boarding house. So, hindi ko sila mamimiss sa bahay. Meron akong mga sleep buddies dito. Number 2 is, I can't sleep without a leg pillow. Sobrang hirap matulog para sa akin kung walang leg pillow. I mean, nakakatulog ako pero napakababaw. So, I have a leg pillow here. So, since ikaw lang din naman po, ma'am, yung makakakita, ipapakita ko na lang. Pero wag niyo po ako i-judge. So, yes, here. This is a leg pillow and sobrang comforting niya pag natutulog na ako. And number 3 is, I really love or admire the shores. As in, yung kabuhanginan, yung dalampasigan. Hindi ako island girl or something, pero I really love oceans. Kasi nakaka-bring sila ng relaxation and comfort, katulad din ng music. Para sa akin. So, my expectation in this subject is to learn something about different art forms. Excited ako kasi meron akong isang bagay na gusto pang i-deep dive yung knowledge ko. Yun ay yung tungkol sa painting kasi gusto ko ma-develop yung, or gusto ko matuto mag-paint. So, hindi pa ako marunong ngayon, but I hope na yung subject na to is matutulungan ako na ma-discover yung mga art forms na ginawa ng ibang mga artist. Diba? So, yun lang, and I am happy to be in this class and I would love to learn about art forms. And that's it. Bye!